Hi, my name is Sonam Sharma. I am from Jammu. I have just completed my Masters in Biotechnology from Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra.
Hi everyone, I'm Ritlin from Chennai. I'm doing my second year BTech Biotechnology in Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
I'm Sindhu Datla from Sultan Ululum College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad, Telangana.
I am Shantalakshmi, Assistant Professor from Sri Kumara Kurubara Swamigal Arts College, Srivekindam, Thothukudi.
Hi, I'm Rakshi. I'm doing my second year graduation in biotechnology field from Satyabama University.
Hello, I am Srishti. I am currently pursuing my undergraduation in biotechnology from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
This is Fahira Tasim here from Bharat University, Chennai. I am doing my BTech Genetic Engineering final year. I have done my research and published in many journals.
My name is Nitika Sharma and I completed my post-graduation from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar.
Hi, I'm N. Pujadashni, pursuing PharmD in JR College of Pharmacy, Tirunelveli.
The entire session on cancer biology is very productive. Lecturers explained everything so well by citing different examples so that one can absorb it clearly. I've got to learn so many things which I never knew before.
I have been to two courses from Alphite Learning. They were Genomics and Proteomics and Cancer Biology. In both the courses were highly informative, interactive and interesting. In cancer biology, we learned from the basics, that is from the molecular biology level. And it was really interesting to learn from those PPTs and images they have shown. And the class was more interactive.
So actually, I recently attended cancer biology course conducted by Alphite Learning. It's my first interaction with them. I got to know about them from one of my lecturers who is already a part of these sessions. So, I was a bit scared when I joined it because they're saying it's online and it's about cancer, how would it be? But frankly speaking, it was really very good. I was very indulged into what they were saying. At the same time, got to learn the things which I didn't knew till day being a pharmacy student.
Alphite Learnings always comes up with different topics with very skilled lecturers. And the best part about the session is the Q&A session where answers have been provided by the lecturers on different topics.
My first course and my starting with Alphite Learning was from Proteomics and Genomics. It was a very interactive course, and even we had a quiz after that where I was ranked number 6 in All India ranking. And then my second course with Alphite Learning was about cancer biology. Ma'am was so interactive in this course. We had a 15 days course of this and we were so interactive to the teacher. We asked the questions in between the session and also after the session, and ma'am answered the questions without any hesitation, and we were able to contact her even after the sessions, which was very useful to us. And obviously the courses were affordable.
This cancer oncology course was a really new concept to me. I was not even one bit familiar with it. My friend actually suggested going for this, and I'm really happy that I could learn something during this lockdown period. I had a lot of doubts, but even before I could ask them in the chat box, the teacher actually cleared them. I was really happy about it, and this is a very informative and very interesting session, a very interesting concept that was taken, and there was actually a lot more about it when I actually researched, but they actually covered all the possible concepts and the possible things that basically are needed for cancer biology.
And all the teachers and all the participants were very interactive, which gave us a feeling of classroom learning.
So recently my senior suggested me to check out the Alphite Learning, so I joined the first course. Believe me, I was really amazed by seeing the quality of the teaching. It was very clearly understood and I was very impressed with it. Then I also requested for courses related to my own field, genetics. Then they gave the courses named cancer biology. I also joined in it and I have been attending the courses for 15 hours. Maybe today's last day. I was very happy with it. The ma'am and the sir who were teaching was very clear and I am very happy with it.
And I recently enrolled myself in cancer biology course offered by Alphite Learnings, and I really found it interesting and helpful. It helped me brush up my concepts related to cancer and the molecular processes undergoing during cancer process and how cancer cells react, and I found it really, really helpful and immensely insightful.
I have already know some basics of cancer that I have studied in my previous year syllabus, which makes me interesting and excited. So I am really eager to learn more about it. So I have joined this course Cancer Biology organized by Halflight Learnings, which is recommended by my friends. I have really learned many things that are new to me, especially the hallmarks of cancer and its processes.
And we were even allowed to ask doubts, and it was cleared in a really good manner, and we got everything cleared. And from these 15 hours of learning, we have got a thorough knowledge about what is cancer biology. And I wish to learn more from Alphite Learning.
So I would really thank the entire team to make this session very good with all the informative knowledge about cancer and the biology about it. So waiting ahead to have another sessions with Alphite Learning. Thank you.
Alphabet learning gives me clear knowledge, brief description, voice clearance, and guidance. All are perfect. Once again, thanks to Alphabet learning. Thank you very much. Thank you for this program.
Thank you so much for holding the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alphabet Learnings.
So thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm looking forward to many more courses offered by you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you for these affordable courses. Thank you.
So yes, looking forward to learn more from Alphite Learnings. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to Alphite Learnings for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I hope I will learn many new things that is organized by Alphite Learnings in the future. Thank you.